Hello, this is me, Ali Raza. I'm a Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as the owner of a Google partner company. Today, I'm here with a new question. So let's get started with the question I have today, and the question is, Hi Ali, very new. Okay, let me make it bigger. Hi Ali, very new to Google Ads, and I'm going to run my first campaign. So welcome to Google Ads, and congratulations and best wishes for your first campaign. I'm in the insurance business, mainly selling group health and dental plans to small businesses here in Canada. I did some initial keyword research and I'm confused as to how to set a daily budget since there is a quite range with the keywords I have chosen to target. Would you guys just take the average median of the high and low end of the top of the page of the bit? Okay, I did some initial keyword research. I'm confused as to how to set a daily budget since there is quite a range with keywords I have chosen to target. Would you guys just take the average median of the high and low end of the top of the page? Also, since this is a niche type of insurance, there is a low search volume for the a lot of keywords. Would you recommend keeping the keywords even if they have a monthly search volume of 50 or low? How would you go about this? Okay, let me see your data. Okay, so this is your data, and if I scroll zoom it, okay, so you can see that. Okay, the data is group health insurance. Some keywords have 5,000 monthly searches, some at 500, some has 50 keywords as searches. Okay, so also these. Okay, these have 50 every average monthly searches. These also have 50 average monthly searches. Okay, so now since your question is more related to choosing the keywords, okay, my suggestion is first of all understand the intent behind each keyword. Okay, that is much more important even than the monthly search volume, because guys, we are paying for each visitor to land on our website. And for instance, if there is a keyword like group health insurance and group benefits for small business, you can understand that the both key have a different intent. Now, group health insurance is different, but group benefits for small business doesn't necessarily mean it's a health insurance fund. But even if it is, you need to have a create a different ads for them. Now you can see that business group insurance plans should have a different ad because the intent is different. Okay, now group insurance for employees should have a different ad because every intent is different. Someone who is searching for group insurance for employees is different than someone searching for group insurance for small business. You need to understand the person who is searching what mind he is thinking, what mind, like what he is thinking when he is searching a specific query. So you need to understand it. So as far as your the last question concerned regarding should I target the keywords which has monthly volume of 50 or less, yes you should. Yes, you should target them. And the most important thing is you need to have different ad for each keyword. Also work on your analytics. Okay, because tracking is very important, and in case if you are not tracking well, you are actually in fact wasting your money. So you need to analyze what's working well for you, analyze your top peak hours, days, time, weeks, look on your competitor strategies, optimize your ad copies, changes with the landing pages. These are also the part of your campaign strategy. How you can generate more apart from this one. And all this is possible with when you are having a good eye on your analytics. Also, the keyword mashup should be phrase match. Keep an eye on your search terms and keep on regularly adding your negative keywords accordingly. And apart from this, in case if you are looking for a professional help in keyword research or even a campaign setup, me and my team can help you. All you have to do is to hire us through the link in the description. And I hope this answers your question as well. Yes, you can target. I suggest you to organize your campaign into better ad structures with different ads. Also look on your peak data, competitors data. These are things which can work around. Also optimize your landing pages, and this is what. But in case if you need a professional, me and my team can help you. You can hire us through the link in the description. But still, in case if you have any question left, you are more than welcome to write in the comments of this video. Once again, thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon so that whenever I create a new video, you guys get a notification regarding this. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.